Ready to transform your Nikon Z50 photos and videos from flat to fantastic? First, choose your weapon. Adobe Lightroom Classic is a powerful option, but DaVinci Resolve is a great free alternative for video. For this tutorial, we'll be using Lightroom. Start with white. Balances your image to warm or to cool. Adjust the temperature and tint sliders until the colors look natural, or until you reach your desired artistic tint. Now, let's tackle the tonal range. Exposure brightens or darkens the entire image. Contrast increases the difference between light and dark areas. Experiment with highlights and shadows to recover details in those areas, and use whites and blacks to set the overall dynamic range. Time for color control. The HSL panel is your best friend. Hue shifts the color itself, saturation controls the intensity, and luminance adjusts the brightness. Target specific colors in your image to make them pop or subtly shift their tone. Want a specific mood? Split toning adds different colors to the highlights and shadows. This can create a vintage feel or a modern, stylized look. Toggle the before and after view to see your progress. Don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own style. There's no one right way to color grade. Keep practicing, explore different looks, and soon you'll be creating stunning visuals with your Nikon Z50.